nigga shit. How much money can this one nigga get? Rich nigga shit, bitch, rich nigga shit. Fuck that nigga, look at this nigga.
What's good, everybody? It's Teddy F Bitches. Some of y'all might know me as Jay Holiday. That's what y'all like to call me.
This morning, we the FBI.
FBI running this shit.
Period.
Basically, this is out to that one clique. Y'all probably know them as JP and Kenise or Nice, whatever y'all want to call them. But what's they called, dude?
The bros.
The bros. That's what y'all call. That's what y'all name is.
How we live.
How we live. I'm trying to walk in y'all shoes for one day. See, get on y'all level for once.
Just to see how y'all motherfuckers live. I'm trying to move in the projects.
Living in the projects.
Living in the projects.
But that's how it be, though. Sometimes, shit, that's how I gotta go. That's just how I gotta be.
Shit, I mean, when you broke, you really ain't got a choice. You know what I'm saying?
You sure don't, dude.
Yeah, you really ain't got a choice. I mean, when you know what I'm saying, you don't go to the club because you ain't got the 7 to get in or the 5 to get in.
Or your outfit to get that swag, you know what I'm saying? That swag for the night, you ain't got that outfit.
Right, because since you always got to go get new outfits and shit, you know what I'm saying? It be like that sometimes. I guess I really ain't had to go through that, but you know.
Never had to. Y'all talking about y'all got swag with sweatpants on. How is that swag? That's what the bitches want. Y'all talking about bitches a lot, but that's what they want. They want somebody with sweatpants on all the time. That ain't a good look. That's a bummy look, you feel me?
It really is, man.
This is my bummy day and shit. I ain't got sweatpants on. That's the only difference between y'all and us.
Right. When we on our shit, man, we be on our shit. What the fuck is y'all talking about with this contest, man? That's all I want to know.
I heard it was $1,000.
At first.
That's what I'm saying. The stud with the best swag. The studs with the best swag getting $1,000. That's what the bros saying. Y'all getting $1,000.
$1,000. Y'all supposed to get a stack. But on the video, the video. Y'all talking about $500.
$500. Why go down though? First it was a stack, now it's $500.
The ABC crew over here, you know what I'm saying? We got money.
Alphabet niggas, you know them niggas.
You know us, nigga. With the most swag, y'all might as well just hand us the money when we walk through the door.
When we walk through the door.
Might as well give it up.
You ain't even gonna shut y'all shit down like that. Just tell us when the contest is. We gonna come. We not gonna be in it because you know we already won, so it's no point.
No point in entering the contest. Don't want to enter it at all. We already won this shit. It ain't no point. So
we just want to go though and support y'all. You know what I'm saying?
We gonna support y'all.
We got a little fan club.
Cause I mean, y'all always come and support us. You know what I'm saying? Put money in our pockets. You know what I'm saying?
All the time, every event. Text it. When's y'all next event?
When's y'all next
event?
What's going on? You going out tonight? Yeah.
Like we gonna be there too.
Right.
We say no, y'all not there though.
Right. So I mean, followers is followers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to start y'all clique. You know what I'm saying?
That's cool.
Be like us. I guess y'all trying to throw parties or whatever.
They not throwing parties, bro. They just throwing contests.
Throwing contests. Oh, damn.
Contest. That's on.
That's on another level. Like we up here, y'all like. You know what I'm saying?
Some more now, like, you know, no.
Damn, no. Rock bottom.
That's all it is, though.
Back in the pool.
We could talk for days about y'all. Y'all all fuck the same bitches.
Man.
What's good with that, man?
Y'all be sharing bitches, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all talk about y'all get bring the baddest hoe to the liquor box. Alright.
Okay.
Cool.
Let me see.
I
know one of the bitches y'all be with. The bitch got fucked up teeth. I don't know her name though, not really.
Probably not. Probably a name, but
probably a name. Then the other one got fucking kids and shit. Y'all motherfuckers fucking. The bitch is ratchet. Then she fucking with niggas and
fucking with niggas while you eating her pussy.
Right.
Cause y'all ain't know nothing about no straps though. You know what I'm saying? When y'all remember y'all once was cool with us before. You know what I'm saying? We done had these conversations before. Never knew nothing about no straps, so we know what the fuck you got.
Something. One of them STDs on that long ass list.
Right, long ass list.
Especially with the bitches y'all be fucking with, and that's all I got to say.
Man, what? Nigga after nigga, and then come back to you and your dumb ass sitting there eating her pussy while she done got nut all in her pussy while you slurping some other nigga's sperm for real.
This nigga took it to the
real nasty. That's how I really feel. And if my bitch was like that, what? Couldn't even do it, nigga, because I never risk my life like that. My life too precious, and I got too many fans out there that want to see me, you know what I'm saying?
Right, so, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see us. We out here for y'all. We glad y'all fans.
Yeah, make sure y'all tell us the date, though, and where y'all having the contest.
Because it's not at the club y'all said it was at, so.
No, it's not. It's not there. Y'all just be talking shit, though. That's it. Talk shit all the time. Don't be about shit, though.
And get a better camera, man. I couldn't even see y'all, motherfuckers.
Nigga, they don't get money.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. They don't have that.
I'm sorry.
Like the shit.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what kind
I didn't even mean it, you know what I'm saying?
I had watched it like 3 times to know who the fuck it was.
Right, I'm like, who the fuck is
But
this?
then when we got to hearing y'all talk, even if we couldn't see who y'all was, we still already knew. Y'all are #1 fans for real.
Haters, fans,
Haters everywhere though. Shit, nigga, that's how it be.
I hater.
That's how it be sometimes.
That's how it be, man.
But it's cool. We gonna show y'all love, you know what I'm saying? Mad respect for y'all. Trying to be a part of the fan club. Along with everybody else on the list.
Right.
But y'all can stop texting our fucking phones. You know what I'm saying? Lose the number. Y'all ain't gotta lose, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just lose the number.
Period. Tell y'all girlfriends, man, and y'all cousins, little cousins, and all that shit. Tell them bitches to get off our strap. Period.
That's how I gotta be. Y'all mad
Y'all
cause
bitches is sucking me.
wanted us at one point in time. Y'all wanted us at one point in time. And shit, you can't be mad at us. You know what I'm saying? Get your bitch on the leash and shit. Do something that she wants.
While she
coming to me, you know what I'm saying? My nigga. Better do what you need to do to keep her. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got nothing to do with that. That's all on the other side of the gate for real.
Yeah, so basically, you know what I'm saying? Keep doing y'all thing, you know what I'm saying? With your Faygo can. Nigga, I'm drinking Pepsi and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Real life.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I drink Pepsi. These niggas still got Faygo,
niggas
bro.
still just smoking away and nigga looking so lame or something. Like, that's how y'all live shit. I don't want to be like that, never.
I don't never want to live in the projects, man, so you know what I'm saying?
Never. Y'all can be in competition, though, you know what I'm saying? We gonna shut y'all down every time. Y'all making yourself look dumb. It's like y'all against the world. You know everybody fucks with us besides y'all. That's
Shit, y'all used to fuck with me. Y'all
used to fuck with us.
We had all that shit on our dick.
Shit, be rolling with us and everything. Every time we trying to go somewhere.
Right. But, we gonna cut this short, you know what I'm saying? We done here. I think we got everything you know what I'm saying?
We
got it all. Yeah.
Y'all can reply back, you know what I'm saying? Do that shit. Y'all can reply back. Shit, y'all know what happened when we see y'all, and that's it.
Period.
FBI in this bitch, you already know.
You know what I'm saying?
Get money. That's what I'm talking about. Get money.
Period.